wabarakatuh. I'm Teacher Adha.
And Teacher Wani.
Okay, so today we will discuss a new topic which is method. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so method. What is method? Okay, they have a lot of method around us. Okay, because method exists in three forms, which is in the form of solid, in the form of liquid, and in the form of gas. Okay, so let me explain what exactly method. Okay, methods are objects that have mass. Okay, what is mass? Okay, for us, okay, for laymen, they always say that mass is weight. In science, mass and weight is different. Okay, but
This one means it's not the same.
okay, but you understand. Okay, because mass, the unit is kilogram. Okay, so to make you understand, for now, for your level, just take it mass as weight. Okay, so metals have mass. For example, Teacher Wani have mass. Okay, for example,
I'm not going to share my weight.
for example, the mass of Teacher Wani, for example, 40 kilos. Okay, so that is mass. So metal should have the first one, mass. Second, occupied space. For example, Teacher Wani occupied the space of this lab. Okay, so metal must occupy space. Okay, and then can be seen. I can see Teacher Wani. I can touch Teacher Wani or taste. Okay, taste tak. Okay, so that is metal.
Okay, so now are the arrangement of solid, liquid, and gas. So this one is the arrangement for solid. Why solid? Because this atom, okay, this one we call it as a atom. The atom of solid, they will arrange very close together. Closely together. Okay? And they vibrate. But for your level, you just know that the arrangement of solid are close. Okay, and they vibrate. But for liquid, this one is liquid. Okay, as you can see, the arrangement of atom, this one also atom, all of these are atom. Okay, the arrangement of atom in liquid quite further from each other compared to the arrangement of atom in solid. Okay, so they are closely, randomly together.
It's not close enough.
No.
Further from each other.
This one is just basic knowledge for you. Okay, you need to know this one, and for gas, this one is gas. As you can see, the atom, the arrangement of atom from each other, from other atom, very far from each other compared to liquid and compared to solid. So this one randomly. They are arranged randomly. Okay?
Okay, so to make you understand better what is atom, for example, when you want to build a house, okay, when you want to build a house, you use a brick, right? A brick to form a house. Okay, you will arrange, okay, the bricks and then you form a house, for example. Okay, or you have Legos. Okay, you want to build Legos. You want to build a house from Legos. So you arrange the Legos until you have a house. So that is the Lego is atom. Okay, the Lego is atom. Okay, because it's arranged together, you have a solid house. Okay, it arranged closely together, you have a solid house. Okay, that is the meaning of atom in the solid. Okay, in the solid method. Okay, so if liquid, okay, if the liquid, the arrangement of atom is very fine. That's why liquid do not have a solid shape, a definite shape. Okay, gas very far away. Okay.
Continue with the experiment.
Okay, so we want to make experiment to prove the properties of solid. So they have 3 experiments: activity 1, activity 2, and activity 3. Okay, so for activity 1, we want to prove the solid have definite shape. For activity 2, the solid have volume, and for activity 3, the solid have mass. Okay, let's start.
Okay, now we have stone here. Okay, to prove the properties of solid, that solid will not change shape. So now we take this stone and I use my thumb to press the stone. Okay, look at here. I cannot press. I can press, but the shape of the stone will not change. Okay, why? Because the arrangement of the atom in the solid are closely together. That's why this stone is hard. Okay. So now we move to second experiment to prove that solid has volume. Okay, now look at the measurement of the liquid here. It is 20 ml. Okay, the volume of liquid here is 20 ml. So now I'm gonna put this stone inside the measuring cylinder. Okay. Okay, when I put a stone inside the measuring cylinder, the volume of water in this measuring cylinder increasing. That means solid has volume because the volume increasing. Okay, move on to another activity. Okay, look at here. We have balance. And now, okay, the reading. What's the reading? I cannot see.
20.
Okay, so the reading is 20
gram.
So now I put this stone here and the new reading is
40 gram.
40 grams. So that means this stone's weight is 20 grams. So that means this stone has mass. Okay. Identify the properties of liquid. For the first activity, we gonna prove that the liquid will take the shape of container. And for the second activity, this one, we're gonna prove that that water has mass. And for the third activity, the water also have volume. No, the water also have volume. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so for the first activity, for the first experiment, we want to prove that the liquid, will change according to the container. Okay, I have different types of container. I have measuring cylinder. I have what is this?
Volumetric flask.
What?
Volumetric flask.
Volumetric flask. I have beaker. And I have conical flask. So when I pour this liquid, into this, the shape of the water is changed according to the container, meaning that the liquid do not have definite shape. Okay, so I pour into beaker. So the water, the water follow the shape of the beaker, and then I pour into conical flask. So the shape follow the shape of the conical flask. Okay, it's proof that the liquid do not have definite shape. It will follow the shape of the container. Activity, we want to prove that liquid have mass. Okay, so the first one, I will measure the mass of this beaker,
empty beaker.
empty beaker. What is it?
70 gram.
70 gram. Then I pour the liquid. So the mass change into
100 gram.
100 grams. This means that the mass of the liquid is 30 grams. So that's proof that liquid has mass. Okay, and then the third experiment, the third activity, we want to prove that the liquid has volume. So I just use the measuring cylinder, pour the liquid into measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder. So we can measure that the volume of the liquid is 30 milliliter. Okay. Okay, so for the third experiment is property of air. So for this one, we will show you the video, okay, about the properties of air. So that's all. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye.